Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your JMJ Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Now go to Google and then search for JMJ Mortgage Login. Now click on the third link which says JMJ Financial. Click on this link and it will lead you to a login portal of JMJ Financial Mortgage. Now go ahead and write down your email address associated with JMJ Financial Mortgage and write down your password. Now click login or sign in and then you can successfully sign in to your JMJ Financial Mortgage account. If you have in case forgotten your password, click on this link which says forgot password and you can retrieve back your account or change your password quite easily after you write down your email address. Click submit as a mail will be sent to your email address and you can recover your password easily. Now if you don't have an account yet, click sign up, write down your personal information like your email address, your phone number, your first name, last name, password, and re-enter your password again and then click create account. This way you can sign up and create a JMJ Financial Mortgage account. If you want to log in, just go to login and then it's the usual, write down your email address, password and click sign in. So this was a video on how you can log into your JMJ Financial Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.